Meme stocks continue to squeeze. Growth stocks and EV are finally bouncing back. What's good on my stock market homies? It's your boy Kevin. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a few of my top stocks for June of 2021. We'll take a quick look at the meme stocks and see how those squeezes are going. Is there any valid setups? Is there any trades to be had in the meme stocks? We're going to be talking about growth stocks and EV stocks as they're finally starting to take off. We've had a really good week here with the community. We've done very well with our EV positions over the last few weeks as they start to bounce back. We also have a code red, boys and girls. That's right, code red, red alert, ring the bell. We have a very popular EV company that issued a warning to shareholders that they might not be able to continue, aka they may be going out of business. This is a big deal, a popular stock with retail investors. We're going to be breaking it all down in this video, so you're going to want to stay tuned. Everybody, do me a favor, take your two fingers and jab the like button right in the eye. The like button is not our friend, and we must destroy it. Get your 2 free stocks from Webull. Link in the description. Those 2 free stocks will be valued up to $1,850. Right now, it's very important to have a broker that has your best interest in mind. We all know that the hood of the Robins does not, so switch to Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $1,800. Got the AMC chart pulled up on the screen. I don't want to spend too much time on AMC because everybody with a webcam and a microphone is talking about AMC stock. Done a video on AMC. I'll link it down below or put a card up top if you want to see that. My opinion on what AMC is doing. It looked like it was about to break out, right? We have resistance up here at the $59, $60 area, and it looked like it wanted to break out, and it did not break that level today. And then towards the close, we kind of consolidated. If we look at an hourly chart, this thing does look like it may want to bull flag and break out and retest those highs. Would not surprise me at all if this thing breaks out of this bull flag and retest that $77 high up there. We'll have to wait and see. There is going to be some trades here. A nice swing trade might be risking off this like $50 level and seeing if you can get a breakout towards 65. I am taking a hard look at that swing trade. Let's talk about EV. Hyliion, baby, the big green monster Hyliion. We were buying the dip left and right with this Hyliion stock, and now we're finally starting to get paid. If you want to come trade with me, get my buy and sell orders in real time, there's a free trial to the private Discord chat, link in the description. We have an average price of $10.49, so basically $10.50. 2,150 shares, but that average price looks good now that we're up about $5,000–6,000 on that position. But we started this position way back here at like $21, and we continued buying the dip. I continued making videos on Hyliion saying how much I liked it, that it was my highest conviction stock, and I got a lot of comments in the comment section saying you're an idiot, Hyliion sucks, it's crashing. When you buy the dip, you cannot try to catch the falling knife. If you try to catch the falling knife, you're going to get cut and your account's going to blow up. So you have to realize, if a stock just went from $58 a share down to $20, is that the bottom? You have no idea if that's the bottom. So you need to take a starter position, maybe 1/3 or 1/5 of the total size that you would like to get in that specific stock. So what I did is I started the position at 21, added more at 15, added more at like 12, and then took a real big position down here at like 8, giving me an average price of $10.50. I think Hyliion is still extremely undervalued. I think it's going to be the leader in the clean energy trucking space, and things are looking up for this stock and EV as a whole. Same thing goes with the entire EV sector. NIO, we talked about NIO down under $32 a share. XPeng, the entire EV sector is squeezing right now. I am considering locking in some profit on my EV positions and trying to buy them back at lower prices, because this is not sustainable, right? When you have a move from 23 to 41 like we have in Xpeng Motors, I love Xpeng long term, but it's just straight up, right? The odds that we get a pullback, something like that, are very high. So why not lock in some profit up here and then try to buy back down here? I think that makes a lot of sense for a bunch of stocks out there right now. Lordstown Motors. We need to talk about it. It's bad, and I think it's going to get worse. Okay, so first let's talk about the news, and then we'll jump back to the chart and take a look at the chart. So Lordstown Motors, ticker symbol RIDE, came out and they had to amend an SEC filing to say that they may not be able to continue doing business. These conditions raise substantial doubt regarding our ability to continue as a going concern. That is never good news. So the SEC has been doing an investigation after that short report came out, and I do believe that Lordstown Motors was doctoring their pre-orders. They had an amazing amount of pre-orders. Things were looking good. And then it came out that they may be doctoring those pre-orders and kind of patting the pillow a little bit. And it's starting to look really bad. They had to come out and tell shareholders that they may not be able to continue. Horrible news. You never want to hear that. We had a short squeeze going from the $6 area all the way up to $16 over the last couple of weeks. But today, big red day as we gapped up and gave it all the way back. $16 all the way down to 10 in one day. I think things are going to get worse. I am not long the stock. Thank God. I would sell if I was. I would not try to hold on. I do not trust their CEO or their executives, and I think this company is going to zero. That's right. We got a code red. RIDE may be going to zero. I do not trust this company, and I would not invest in it with your money. iSun, we need to talk about solar, ticker ISUN. It's been rough holding this one as well. We just got 100 shares of this one at $12.75. You know, a rough couple of months in clean energy. Anything growth related has been a rocky road over the last couple of months. But once again, we're seeing the bouncing growth companies. And same thing goes with solar. I love solar. You guys know I love solar. So if there's any solar stocks out there trading real cheap, let me know in the comments and I will check them out. But iSun, still holding. Not going to add now. I was looking for an ad. Just didn't get it. Probably should have added down at $7.50, but did not get that ad. So I'll be looking for an ad. Not going to get this ad until we get a pullback back towards the $8.50 area. Not going to chase this current bounce, but I am looking to add to this iSun position. I want to talk about growth stocks real quick and EV stocks. That's something that's kind of concerning to me in this current run that we've seen over the last few weeks. It's coinciding with the AMC squeeze, which makes me think that it might be sympathy to AMC, which is kind of concerning. I still think all of these stocks are pretty much too cheap and they're still good deals, but the fact that it's coinciding with this AMC volume and this AMC squeeze is kind of concerning. We do need to keep our eye on that, but it's really good to see these stocks continuing to bounce. I think Hyliion's still too cheap. I think a lot of these EV companies are still too cheap. NIO, Xpeng, the list goes on and on. I'm going to be trying to put out a video every day for the rest of the week. That's going to wrap up today's video. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Until next time, peace.